Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we'll practice a simple conversation for greetings and introductions. Let's get started.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm fine, thanks. How are things?
Not bad. I'm Tom. What's your name?
I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Anyway, class is starting. See you later.
Take care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next English lesson.